In this video, I'll share with you the 6 best trustworthy investment apps in Ghana that can help you unlock your financial wealth in 2024. Practically, the primary way to achieve financial freedom is through investment, and to develop financial capabilities, you have to set aside a portion of your unused money for savings. Yeah, you heard me right. And to do that, the first recommendation is to invest in stable crypto coins. Stable coins in cryptocurrencies bind their market value to an external reference. These coins are mostly pegged to a currency like the US dollar or a commodity price such as gold. You can go with stable coins like the USDT and hold them for some time. An excellent place to start this is with Binance, and you can register for free with my link in the description. As you know, the dollar will always be higher than the cedis, so saving your money in a foreign currency is the best. Investing in stable coins like the USDT is an excellent option to consider. The whole idea here is that instead of letting your money sit idle in the bank, why don't you convert it into foreign currencies in cedis and sell it in 3 to 6 months? That brings us to the second option, which is the Achieve Investment app. What this app does is that it collaborates with authorized fund managers to offer secured investment opportunities such as stocks, bonds, and short-term debts. With the Achieve Investment app, you can start with a minimum of 5 Ghana cedis, and I always appreciate the platform's accessibilities to invest in Ghana. To invest in the Achieve app, first download the app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Then register with a working email address and respond to a few security questions. Verify your identity with a legitimate form of identification, such as your Ghana card, selfie, and other personal information. Go ahead and configure your mobile wallet to make top-ups and receive withdrawals. You can also use your MasterCard or Visa for top-ups. 3. Investing.com. This app is one of the legit personal investment apps in Ghana, and on this platform, you can get real-time updates for over 30,000 financial instruments that are traded on over 100 exchanges in the world. You can also trade or monetize your investment portfolio from anywhere, as well as retrieve, sort, and select data directly from your mobile phone. 4. Bamboo Investment. Bamboo Investment is another excellent platform allowing you to invest in anything profitable. This platform is the simplest way to get better investment options and generate actual returns. The app makes investing simple, available, and cost-effective. With Bamboo Investment, your assets in a US stock portfolio is guaranteed by the United States SIPC up to $500,000, so your money is safe. 5. Ecobank TBill for All. Ecobank TBill for All is a mobile money-based online platform that allows you to buy and manage the government of Ghana's treasury bill from your mobile devices. To invest in Ecobank Treasury, you must have an MTN Momo account. To register, dial *170# on your mobile device and choose the 5th option. Choose the 4th option, which is pension and investments, to register. Once registered, the system will recognize your username and grant you access to the product features, including the application, the interest calculator, the discounts, and the terms and conditions of the services. For as little as 5 Ghana cedis, you can buy 91 to 182 days of Ecobank Treasury bill from your MTN mobile wallet. Bringing us to the last and final app, which is the Truth Investment app. With 124 Ghana cedis or $10, you can invest in various financial assets through this platform. You can also invest, save, withdraw, and deposit money on this app. However, it is essential to remember that Truth is not a registered investment advisor or a broker-dealer. On the Truth app, you can invest in American, Chinese, and Nigerian stock, bonds, and many more. You can also withdraw your money anytime. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and all the information shared in this video are for educational purposes only. Research on any suggested app or platform mentioned in this video before investing your hard-earned money. Thank you for watching this video, and if today is your first time joining us, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with your friends. My name is Regina Diamond, and I'm out.